Hey guys, welcome back to Fishing with MB YouTube channel. Here today we're in Paris, Ontario, fishing the Grand River again, and hopefully you guys enjoy all the action. We'll see you on the water. So just to go over what I'm fishing with here, I'm using a medium heavy 7-foot rod with a spinning reel on it with 15-pound test. And then I'm using a little jointed swim bait that's shaped in the size of a minnow. And I'm here wading in the water. I got my waders on. I'm in about, I'd say, 2.5 feet of water. I'm standing casting into about 4 or 5 feet of water. Just trying to get into the edge of the slack water here coming off of the dam. I don't know if you can see up there ahead, but you can see all the foam that's come off of the little dam water here dropping, and how it's just spinning up there. So, you know, there's a reverse current up there, and a lot of these bass will just sit on the edge of that reverse current waiting for stuff to just fly around and come through, and then they come up and hit it. So that's what I'm trying to get on the edge of it and enjoy. Oh, look at that. Some nature just came to join me. A nice little heron right there. Came and landed right beside me on the rock. That's cool. Oh, and here comes a second one. That's cool. There he goes flying by, guys. Oh, right there in the tree. How cool is that? Gotta love nature. Okay, guys, we are back again doing our little lure switch. Put on the old tried, trusted, and true Daredevil. Little spoon spinner bait. We're going to retrieve this fairly quick because it's pretty shallow through here, and this is a heavy lure. It's going to drop down quick. We don't want to get snagged on the rocks. Oh, it's got beautiful action though, coming back through the water. Oh, that's not where I wanted that. That's going to be going right through that big grass pile. Yeah, lo and behold, what do you know? I got the grass I said I went right through. Literally, I can't believe how much the water has come up just since I got here. You know, in the last 35 minutes or so, the water has risen about a foot. You can even see when I first got here, all this foam was out halfway across the water, if not more, and it was really pushing close to me. But now the water's risen, it's picking up the current a little bit, and it's pushed all the foam coming off the dam back into the corner there, which is wild. Like, it's crazy. I don't know if it's raining up north or something and all the water's coming down or what's going on, but it's wild how much the water has risen. There's no dam generations on here or anything like that. All there is these breaks in the river that they do use for power here and there. But other than that, there's not like they let flow out or anything of that nature. Oh, I think I got one. Look at that. I did. I got one right there in front of me. Little guy. But I'll take it. That works. That works. Look at that. Barely even felt him there, to be honest, boys. He just kind of came, barely felt him there, guys. He kind of came up and just grabbed this guy. Let me grab the pliers here quick. Don't want to deal with that treble hook. Oi. He's a slimy little guy. He popped right out of my hand. Relax, buddy. Relax. We got you. There we go. We got you, sir. Oh, okay, boys. There you can see he's bleeding a little bit, so I'm going to get him right back in the water. Oh, there he goes. He wanted to go. Jumped right out of the hand. But, hey, I'll take it. Any fish is a good fish. Okay, guys, we walked down from the bridge a little bit, and it's starting to get a little deeper here. So I'm gonna try my luck and see what happens. My luck is I caught grass. Well, kind of been the story of the day. I think I got one, guys. Yeah, there we go. We got one. He's pulling pretty good in that current. Oh, he's a decent sized one. Yeah, one of the better ones of the day so far. I'll take it. I will take it. We'll get the pliers ready here. there we go, guys. Relax. You're okay. Relax. You're okay, buddy. Hey, relax. Hey. All right, there we go. Again, guys, all these little guys, they keep bleeding every time I hook them with the treble here. So again, I'm not going to hold them up too long. I'm going to get them back in the water. Oh, there we go. He jumped right out of my hand. Oh, there we go. The move paid off. Now let's keep her going. These little spoon baits is what I'm throwing now, like a mini daredevil, but it's all silver with the treble hook on the back. But it seems like these bass are liking this in here. Maybe they just don't see it very often. Not a lot of people throw these anymore. Like I said, they're tied, trusted, and true, but they're just not used that often anymore. Oh man, we just had another bite, but I missed him. He grabbed on, but I just fully missed him. Oh, look at that. We caught a ton of grass. I'm telling you, if we were counting grass catching, I'd be the #1 angler in the world. I'm just killing it today with all this grass. But like I said, this is a blast, guys. Like, look at how beautiful this is. You know, these people are lucky here beside me, living right on the water here. But what a beautiful spot. Oh, there we go. We're on again, guys. We are on again. This is a great little spot. They're all little guys, but hey, can't get mad about that. Cannot get mad about that. I'll catch these guys all day. Like I said, this is fun. When you're catching a fish every 2 minutes, you cannot get mad. Okay, buddy, stay still. You're okay. Relax. Hey. There we go. We got him out, guys. There you go, little guy. Oh, there he goes. Man, these guys are slippery. They're so little you can barely get a grip on them. And they got so much energy being such young fish. They're just non-stop go, 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 go. But this spot is paying dividends big time. I'm loving this. Literally, I've been here for about, I don't know, 8 minutes. And I've caught 3 fish already on a little silver spoon. Might not even have to edit this video, it's going so fast. Literally, I could just show you guys the 1 or 2 casts that they don't get a bite on, and then just keep showing you fish. I know none of them are huge or anything, but man, I don't know, anyone who doesn't want to catch a fish every 3 minutes is crazy. Well, of course, I got cocky saying I wouldn't have to edit this because I was catching so many fish, and then now I'm not getting any bites. You know, typical, right? That's what happens when you open your mouth and you just think that you're better than Mother Nature. What I should have done is switch back to my medium finesse rod for this, but in this current, that would have been a fun little fight even on these little guys, because you know this current's going pretty good. Every once in a while I'm actually having to take a step back and lean into the current because you know it's pushing me. Standing here, and I'm about thigh high, so about 2.5 feet of water. Just fishing with the little spoon here against the current, like pulling it back up through the current, as you can see. Another fish jumped literally right beside where my lure lands. I think I startled him probably. I can't believe how many little bass are in this little flat here right at the end of these little sort of rapids after the bridge here. I guess they're just sitting here picking off any little thing coming down the river, feeding up before they can move up into the currents. Oh, there we go. We're on again, guys. There we go. Very nice. We are on again. There we go. There we go. Oh, he's a little bit better. Sorry for blocking the camera there. I'm just getting my rod into my vest here so that I can get this guy out in front of the camera for you guys. There you go. See, that's a little better one. I'll take those, no problem. All right. Wow, this guy got triple, oh, come on, buddy, relax. He got triple hooked. All 3 of the trebles are in him. There we go. There we go, nice. That was easy, he was behaving. There we go. Little smallmouth bass, beautiful. Look at gorgeous color, lying right down the side of him, absolutely beautiful. Let's get the release here. Hopefully you guys can see this. There we go, and he's gone. Well, that was beautiful. I'll take that. That was a nicer. That was the biggest one yet. We're biting here over and over and over. With the current, I guess, they just replenish. One moves out, another one comes in. I'm just slow rolling this little spoon bait. As you guys can see there, it's on the end. Hopefully you can see it there, little spoon with the treble hook on the end, just slow rolling it through these through this current. Yeah, this is how fast I'm reeling that back through the current. Oh, I think we're on, guys. We're on. Yeah, look at that. This one feels like a nicer one. This one definitely feels like a nicer one. He's pulling. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely a bigger one. That's the biggest one yet. Beautiful. Look at that. Every time they're getting bigger and bigger, guys. I like it. If we can keep that trend going, I'll be a happy guy. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Now that is a nice little bass. Okay, buddy, you're good. There we go. I like it. You're nice. Oh, come on. As I say, you're nice and relaxed. You go nuts. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Easy little release. It came right out. Relax, buddy. You're okay. Hey, relax. Relax. Oh, and he's gone. Slipped right out of my hand. Sorry, guys. Didn't get to hold that one up for you. But I think you got to see them jump right out of my hand, which is nice. Well, let's keep this a rolling. Hey guys, welcome back now that we're off the water. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed all that action here today. I know there's a lot of little guys in here, but hey, when you're catching little guys all day, it's never a bad thing. Again, we were in Paris, Ontario today, fishing another part of the Grand River. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all the action. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you can do me a favor, hit that little like, thumbs up button for me. That would be amazing. So again, we will see you next time on the water. Have a great one, guys. Later.